Aramoana is a small coastal settlement, 27 kilometers north of Dunedin City, in the South Island of New Zealand. The settlement's permanent population in 2001 census was 261. Supplementing this are seasonal visitors from the city who occupy cribs. The name Aramoana is Maori for "pathway of the sea," originally founded by the Otago Harbour Board. Established in the 1880s as an ideal pilot station for navigation around the mouth of the Otago Harbour, this area grew into a small farming village. In the 1950s, the town became popular as a beach resort and a rural life village due to the construction of a mole to inhibit the spread of tidal sands into the mouth of the Otago Harbour, and was surveyed and amalgamated as a suburb of Port Chalmers Borough. It is the site of New Zealand's deadliest criminal shooting, which occurred on 13 and 14 November 1990. Location and natural environment. The settlement is located on a sand dune spit at the mouth of the Otago Harbour, opposite the end of the Otago Peninsula. The main channel of the harbour is kept clear by the Aramoana Mole, an artificial breakwater which extends for 1,200 metres from Aramoana. The mole was originally intended to extend another 600 metres into the ocean. However, due to tidal patterns and the instability of the construction, no attempt to extend beyond the current length was thought to be possible. To the southwestern side of the township extend expansive salty mudflats from the head of the Aramoana spit around the harbour side to the township of Tainaru. This area is a protected wildlife sanctuary, which hosts a range of plant and animal life, both native and exotic. On the other side of the spit is an expansive beach, truncated by the Aramoana Mole. The beach and sand dunes to the east are known as Shelley Beach. The beach to the west is known as Big Beach and extends for over 2 kilometers. At points along this beach, steep rock faces come down to the waterline. These are well used for practical training by local rock climbers. Seals can be found sunbathing on the rocks of the spit. Save Aramoana campaign. In the late 1970s, Aramoana was proposed as the site of a major aluminium smelter by a consortium of New Zealand-based Fletcher Challenge, Australia's CSR Limited and Swiss firm Alusuisse. An aluminium smelter was already operating at Tiwai Point where the smelter at Aramoana was proposed. The Save Aramoana campaign was formed in 1974 to oppose the smelter. Among the leaders were 3 Otago psychologists: Peter Bradshaw, Jules Older and Richard Thompson. A large number of Otago artists and performers also contributed to the successful drive to save Aramoana. Notable people: Hilary Calvert. Aramoana massacre. Aramoana gained notoriety as the site of a mass murder that occurred on the 13th of November and the 14th of November 1990. Resident David Gray, an unemployed gun collector, went on a rampage in which 13 people were shot dead, before Gray himself was shot by police. A monument to the 13 victims stands on the dunes near to the Aramoana Mole. In 2006, New Zealand director Robert Sakis released a film based on the events, Out of the Blue.